I will talk about how can you enable Horizon on your start work to app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on settings, then you come to next step here, just click here on visual effects, click on it here. So then you come here to horizon here, or then you just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean horizon here. Your horizon it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.